Hey, so I'm checking out this emergency blanket. It's one of these like heat preserving blankets. Very, very reflective. It says on it that it's 55 inches by 82 inches. I'm going to try to get a accurate measurement on that and see how close that is. Versatile, optimal companion for outdoor adventures. Retains up to 90% of body heat. So if you're using this outside on a coolish evening or overnight camping, this could be helpful. Protection in all weather conditions. Durable, compact, portable, certainly small. Can be folded up very easily. Waterproof and weatherproof. So let's take a look at this thing. Comes really, really compact. In fact, it was in a plastic sleeve as well. I got this in a set of several of them. But yeah, really, really thin. And comes kind of like in a long roll like this. Not really roll, but folded up in a long, one long row, I suppose. And then you can unfold it from there. It's like a really, really thin film. Highly reflective. Be good for like art projects and that kind of thing too. Or as a heat preserving blanket. So you can kind of just unfold it slowly if you want, or take an edge and kind of throw it out there like that. Very crinkly, but let's see how it measures. So here it is on our queen size bed, and it definitely takes up quite a bit of it, almost the full width. In fact, the width of it is right at 55 inches, maybe just slightly less, but right at 55 inches wide. And then measuring the other way, it is right at 82, in fact, just a little bit more than 82 inches long. But yeah, measurements aside, it is quite large. You could very easily fit one or two people under one of these things. I'd say even three if you're kind of huddled up real close to each other. Great for like, camping trips, or after a run and you're cold and trying to warm up a little bit. This would be useful for that. Seems like a good, durable, reflective, heat retaining blanket. Hope that helps.